Hello there, I'm Akanksha and welcome to my channel V2 Excel. So, I have a question for you. Which one is better? This sheet 1 or this sheet 2? Of course, I heard you. You said sheet 1. Yes? So, as we all know, visuals always work well. So, here I am today and we will see how we can use conditional formatting and get this kind of presentation. These are called data bars. Here I have covered 4 different kind of formatting which we will be doing in sheet 2. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will just go to view and untick the grid lines. It looks better. I'll come again to my sheet and drag it little bit so we can see graph in nice manner. I will select the area where I need the bars to be done. Go to conditional formatting, go to data bars and more rules. Here we are. In the minimum, I'll type number, maximum number. Here I will put 0 and here I will put 1. 0 will act as 0 and 1 will act as 100. In the first one, I want these percentage to be shown, so I will untick this. I will take a color, green looks good. If you happen to have a negative values, then you can choose color for that also. I have taken borders as none and axis position as automatic. Okay, and this is done. So here you can see I have given the formula. So if I change this value to 20,000, it has become 20%. If I change to the value of 2 lakhs, let's say, so it will show the full colored bar and the actual percentage. Now I will go to the second variation. What I will do, I will put it a format painter and put it here. Now I will make changes, manage rules. You see I have done the current selection, so it is showing me this selection only. If I do this worksheet, it will show me the both current selection. I will go to edit rule. Now I wish to change a color and I will do it gradient, so it will have some shading. I will go and do OK. You can see shading have come and I want these numbers to be at the left and I will align it accordingly, and here it is. Now in the next part I will do the same thing again. I'll choose format painter, paste it here, go to conditional formatting, manage rule and edit rule. Okay, now we are here. Now I am good with this color. I want borders and I will pick the show data bar only, so it won't show me any percentage. I'll go OK, and here it is. Now you can see there are borders, right? Now you can use this in the project completion reports also. I will go again, format painter and paste the format, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, edit rule. I will keep the percentage, so I will untick this. I will take some other color and I don't want borders and I want a direction from right to left. Here it is. I'll do OK, and this is it. So here we will see the progress from right to left. One more thing you can do, but I don't find its utility much, but you have an option to axis position and select midpoint and do OK, and see you will have the progress starting from midpoint of the cell. Same, you can change the direction of it again to left to right like this, but I like this much better and I will keep it like that. So don't you think this is much better rather than writing just few numbers? And now it's time to choose your style and make your reports more visuals. This is a trick which becomes very helpful while creating the dashboards, and I hope it will benefit you a lot. Thank you for the time. Take care. Please share, subscribe, and like my video. Good day.